this is Mamta. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna create this very simple summery sun-kissed makeup look. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. So first I'm going to use this foundation from BENE. It's on the shade 2, and I'm going to take my buffing brush and blend like this. And if you have clear skin, you can skip this, but in my case I have lots of pigmentations and dark spots, so I am using this foundation just to give a little bit of coverage. So as usual, I'm going to apply my concealer under my eye area, just like this over here, because I have a dark circle there, so I need to hide it. And here and here, just to make my nose a little bit pointed like this. And again, I'm going to blend. So it's a summertime, you have to use your setting powders to set your concealer. So as usual, I'm using my Laura Mercier setting powder, especially your under eye area and T-zone. Okay, so now to get that perfect natural sun-kissed bronzer glow effect, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and I'm going to take this set right here and I'm going to mix with this. It looks more natural plus glowy. Okay, so this side and this side, more bronze, glowy, flat. Okay, and a little bit on my nose, but for the nose I'm not going to take highlighter. I'm just using whatever left in the brush. So for the blush, again I'm going to take the Huda Beauty highlighter palette and taking this blush. In the nose as well. Okay, so now I'm going to take this blush from BENE because it's very pigmented, so I don't want to mess up. I'm going to take just a little bit first, and I'm going to build up slowly. So now I'm going to put this on my nose just to get that sun-kissed effect. So एकदमै घामले चाँडै रातो हुने पार्टहरु चाहिँ यो हो. So I'm applying blush. I think it's okay now. So for my eyes, again I'm going to take this bronzer and apply all over my lid. Yeah. And a little bit on my lower lash line as well. Okay, now curling my lashes. Just lining my lash line, nothing more than that, and a little bit. And again I'm going to take that same bronzer and smudge this. Liner मात्रै लगायो भने चाहिँ एकदमै हार्श देख्छ, एकदमै गाढा देख्छ, त्यही भएर मैले चाहिँ अघिकै ब्रोन्जर लिएर मज्जाले स्मज गरेको. So I'm going to apply this on my upper and lower lashes because it makes my eyes look more bigger. And again, taking that same 3D highlighter palette from Huda Beauty and taking this highlighter set and I'm going to highlight my inner corner. So once I'm happy with everything, I'm going to use this Benefit Rose Benetting. So I already moisturized my lips, and I'm going to apply right here. And I think this is for today. So I really hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.